What's up guys, welcome back to RCJ original. Note taking helps you to remember information and aids you understanding of that information. Also provides the source material for your next creative or business project. Note taking is a form of writing. We use paper and pen to take notes. In this video I am going to show you a replacement for sticky notes and papers. Let's get to the unboxing and we'll see what's inside this package, and let's see how we can use this one. In this package there is a 8.5-inch LCD writing tablet, and it is so slim, I can feel it. Let's unpack. Oh, it's so slim. I think it's the same size or thickness of iPhone 8. In the back side of the bag you can see the how to use specification and warning. In front of the box you can see painting, graffiti practice and calculus, also easy writing, a key to delete, 2 years battery, non-radioactive, short storage, and also saves 3 trees. Okay, let's unpack and take out the device. Wow, it's so slim. Also it comes with a pen or stylus. Nothing in the bag except a lock button. It's writes smoothly. Let's see, can we write RCJ original? Writes nice, and it has features: one button press and all gone, delete. And also you can write and lock that delete button, so if you press the delete button it won't delete. This is the alternative for a sticky note. You can see like you can write down the ideas and also some information you want. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.